Hi, Mihira. I'm here to discuss a change in your medication. We're switching you from the capsule form of your blood pressure medicine to a liquid form. This will help it work faster, especially during those times when your blood pressure spikes. The liquid form is easier for your body to absorb. It's important to take this medication regularly as prescribed. We'll monitor your blood pressure closely to see how it responds to the new medication. Remember, it might take a few weeks for the full effect to kick in. If you notice any side effects like dizziness or headaches, please let us know right away.
Okay, nurse. I understand. I hope this new medication will help control my blood pressure better. I'll be sure to take it as prescribed and let you know if I have any issues.
Mihira, it's completely understandable that you felt you needed to come to the hospital right away. That was the best thing you could have done. It's also normal to feel a bit anxious about handling things at home, but I can assure you that with a little guidance, you'll be able to manage her care and recovery just fine. The most important thing to focus on at home is monitoring her closely. Please watch for any changes in her behavior. If she seems unusually irritable, confused, or more tired than usual, that could be a sign we need to check her again. You should also watch for any physical symptoms like increased drowsiness, repeated vomiting, or a severe headache that doesn't go away. These are all reasons to bring her back here. Additionally, if she develops a fever or you feel that her overall condition is getting worse, please do not hesitate to return to the hospital. Your instincts as a parent are very important, and we're always here if you have any doubts.